Hey baby, welcome back to Money Magnet, the channel where financial success is just one sneeze away. Today, get ready for a game-changing journey as we unveil the ultimate guide to making money online. I'm thrilled to guide you through the top 20 methods of making money online, as well as provide you with a breakdown as to how to begin. But before we do, make sure to wear some pants. The video is divided into 4 chapters with 4 different categories. I'm sure you'll find your money-making machine hidden in one of them. Get ready. Chapter 1. Unlocking your potential. The digital realm is your playground. Let's dive into the first 5 methods that can turn your skills and passions into cold, hard cash. But if you're a loser with no skills, don't worry. We got you covered. 1. Freelancing. Are you a wordsmith, a design expert, a starfish, or a coding genius? Adopt freelancing on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You'll be connecting with clients seeking your expertise. The best part? You decide the projects you take on and the rates you charge. 2. Online tutoring. Hear me out. You are aware that your knowledge is a valuable asset. Why not turn it into profit by becoming an online tutor on platforms like Chegg Tutors and VIP Kid? Whether it's math, coke, language, or music, there's someone out there eager to learn from you. Set your rates, create engaging lesson plans, and start teaching online. Go get that bread, my man. 3. Content creation. Lights, camera, content. Time to start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog on topics you're passionate about. With consistency and creativity, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Even if you think you're a lame individual with no personality, someone will find you entertaining. Get up, enough waiting. 4. E-commerce. Do you hate how your boss made you clean the office windows even though you're an accountant? Do you dream of being your own boss? Get into e-commerce. Sell products on established platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Or build your online store using Shopify or WooCommerce and set the virtual shelves with your creations. No more office drama. 5. Affiliate marketing. Did you know you can partner up with brands you love through affiliate marketing? Promote products and services using your unique affiliate link and earn a commission for every sale made through it. You can create useful content on social media, post motivational videos, a video of you petting a rat, or product reviews. Then simply add your affiliate link to get paid a commission of the sale. There's no overhead cost or risk involved. Plus, you can do it on the side for extra income. Chapter 2. Your path to financial freedom continues. Let's explore the next set of methods that can turn your online journey into a gold mine. 6. Dropshipping. You've all probably heard of dropshipping at this point. Every kid and their mama are doing it. For those of you that are new to this term, with dropshipping, you can set up an online store and let suppliers handle the shipping. Each time a customer buys, the product goes directly from the supplier to their doorstep. It takes time and patience to build enough experience in this field and know what products to sell, in which market to sell them, and how to market them properly. It still is, however, one of the gifts of modern times where anyone can become a brand owner without actually holding inventory. 7. Online surveys. This is not the most ideal way to make money online, but if you have the time for it, lazy and alone on a Friday evening, it can earn you extra bucks. Share your opinions and get paid for it. Join platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie to participate in online surveys and earn rewards. 8. Online marketplaces. This is another method of making money online. From odd jobs like sniffing sound to professional services, online marketplaces like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack connect you with people seeking your skills. Bid on projects, complete tasks, and earn money on your own schedule. 9. Online courses. Whether it's cooking, snorting, coding, or crafting, your knowledge can become a lucrative business. Make a fortune from turning your experience into educational material and watch your bank balance multiply. It's time to share your expertise with the world by creating online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Set a price and market your course through social media, email, and other channels. No excuses not to be making money in the age of internet and technology. 10. Stock photography. Believe it or not, you can turn your mirror selfie or boarding breakfast story picture into revenue by selling them on stock photography platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Create a portfolio of high-quality photos, sign up as a contributor, upload your photos with relevant keywords, and earn royalties for each download. All you got to do is take some shots and people like me actually pay to use them. Chapter 3. Mastering the Art of Earning Online. Now is the time to move on to more advanced methods that can elevate your online income game. 11. Virtual Assistant. The sad reality is, businesses and entrepreneurs need support, and that's where virtual assistants come in. Whether it's administrative tasks or social media management, you can offer your services remotely, and you'll get paid well for it. Just make sure to market your services well and create a simple portfolio on a website with a professional domain name. Reach out to businessmen and offer your services. After all, what is there to lose? 12. Social media management. If you're a social media nerd, you can make a huge bag managing accounts for businesses and individuals. Help them grow their online presence while you grow your bank balance. Find clients that need their socials managed and earn some extra cheese, my boy. 13. Remote work. If you dream of working anytime, anywhere, this is what you should do. Remote work is on the rise. Update your resume and online profiles. Research remote job opportunities on platforms like remote.co, FlexJobs, or LinkedIn. Tailor your applications to each job and participate in virtual interviews. That way you can attain the privilege of working freely. 14. Online gaming. Calling all gamers. Turn your passion into profit by streaming on platforms like Twitch or participating in esports tournaments. Your skills can pay off big time. You already spend time doing it, you might as well stream it to the world and make some money out of it. But remember, you probably need to hit the gym every now and then. Get jacked, make money, stay healthy. 15. App development. If you have a knack for coding, now it's easier than ever to create mobile apps or software and monetize them through app stores or subscriptions. Brainstorm app ideas like an app that can count to infinity, create a prototype, develop the app, test it thoroughly, and publish it on app stores. You'll get closer to financial independence by utilizing this modern skill. Chapter 4. Diving into expert-level strategies. Ready for the big leagues? These strategies require dedication and a willingness to learn. 16. Online coaching. Are you an expert of any kind? Are you able to give life some lemons? Share your wisdom and mentor others through online coaching. Whether it's personal development, fitness, shrimp breeding, or business, your guidance can make an impact, and your wallet will get fat. Choose your coaching niche, define your coaching packages, create a professional website or landing page, set your rates, and market your coaching services through social media, blog content, and networking. 17. eBook publishing. If you sneeze, would everyone get blessed? Did you live an interesting life? Are you a character with tales to tell? Choose a niche or topic, research and write your ebook, format it for digital reading, design a professional cover and self-publish your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and earn royalties with each sale. This online money-making method will change your life. 18. Print on demand. This method of making money online is how many influencers build a merch line. No, it's not what you thought it is. It is none other than print on demand. Express your creativity by designing custom apparel, accessories, and more. Use print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Printify, and let others wear your art. Set up your online store and promote your products through social media and online marketing. By doing so, you have very little to spend and a lot to earn. 19. Stock and cryptocurrency. Interested in becoming a trader? Dive into the world of finance with stock and crypto trading. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies through platforms like Robinhood or Binance, but remember, caution is key. This online money-making method is not for the weak. Educate yourself and improve your skills in order to know how to manage risk and take advantage of opportunities. 20. Remote consulting. This online money-making method is specific for those with a history of experience in a certain field. Become a remote consultant and share your expertise in areas like business, garlic breading, marketing, or finance. Offer valuable insights and guidance to clients seeking your knowledge, and you'll make a great income by doing so. Just make sure to market your services properly and put in the effort. Thank you for tuning in till the end. You now have the power to make the terms and conditions agree with you. Give your boss a raise and tell your parents to become doctors. Be sure to use your powers wisely and make a fortune along the way. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section and I'll try to reply to you. Subscribe and hit that like button if you want to be allowed to judge a book by its cover, and share this video with friends who are ready to join you in the Millionaire Club. Subscribe to Money Magnet for more money tips and hacks. Stay tuned for our next video on how to nosebleed on purpose.
Eu sou rico, tenho todos vocês atrás de mim. Eu sou rico, tanta gente acredita.